Today guys, we're going to be doing the Singapore Math Comparison Model on a before and after question. So now I'm going to be reading you the question. Mrs. Bay and Mrs. Chan went shopping with the same amount of money at first. Miss Bay spent $480 and Mrs. Chan spent $620. In the end, Mrs. Bay had twice as much money as Mrs. Chan. How much money did both of them have altogether at first? So, what you should do is draw a before-after model. So, this is how you draw your before model first. So, you put Bay and Chan right here. Put them the same because they said they started with the same amount of money. So, now you go to draw your after model. So, why do you put Bay 2 units, you might be wondering? Well, because they said Mrs. Bay had twice as much money as Mrs. Chan after they went to go shop at the shopping center. So, you put Mrs. Bay as 2 units and Mrs. Chan as 1 unit. And they also said Mrs. Bay spent $480. So you put that in Mrs. Bay's model. And then Mrs. Chan spent $620. So you put that in Mrs. Chan's model. So now I'm going to show you what you should do. So now what you do is step 3. You have to find unit. So how do you find unit? Because you already know you have 3 units, right? What you do is you make them equal. So what you do is cancel out 1 unit from Mrs. Bay, cancel out. Then from Mrs. Chan's model, take out her 1 unit. So now you're left with 1 unit, 480 and 620. So now, in order to find unit, this is what you do. 620 minus 480, which equals to 140. So now, it's getting a bit easier, right? So what you do is, you take Miss Bay, because now you know how much is 1 unit, right? So, now you know what's 1 unit, which is 140. You put all of the units with 140, 140, 140. So now, you just add up. 140 plus 140 plus 480 is 760. And they started with $760 at first. So both of them were $760. But they said how much money they both of them have all together. So the answer was 760, but 760 plus 760 or 760 times 2, which equals to $1,520. So this is how you do this question.